Hello everyone. A very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about family words. Do you know, students, what are the family words? Family words are like if your father's name is Kulvinder Barad, mother's name is Aman Barad, brother's name is Hargun Barad, sister's name is Swarn Barad. Now students, you can see behind all these names the word Barad is common. So students, the word which is similar with all these names is our family words. Now students, today we will learn about UG family words and OT family words. Now let's start. Now students, we will make UG family words with the help of these magnetic blocks. UG UG. Now students, find out the letter B and make the word B U G bug. Next, find out the D and make the word D U G duck. Next, students, find out the letter H. H U G hug. Next, find out the letter J. Students, take this J U G jug. Next students, find out the letter L. L U G lug. Next, find out the letter M. M U G mug. Next, students, find out the letter P. P U G pug. Next, find out the letter R. R U G rug. Next, find out the letter T. T U G tug. Next, students, find out the letter P and L and make a letter plug. P L U G plug. Next, students, find out the letter S and L and make the letter slug. S L U G slug. Next, students, find out the letter S and N and make the letter snug. S N U G snug. Now students, like this you make UG family words. Now students, we will recite a story on iitjee family words. Firstly, revise some words related to iitjee. B-U-G, bug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. J-U-G, jug. B-U-G, bug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. J-U-G, jug. Now students, recite a story. Can you see the bug? The bug is in the mug. The jug is on the rug. The mug and jug are on the rug. The bug, mug and jug are on the rug. Now students, we will make iitjee family words with the help of these magnetic blocks. O-T, oat. Now students, make the letter cot. With the help of C, find out the letter C. C-O-T, cot. Next students, find out the letter P. P-O-T, pot. Next students, find out the letter H. H-O-T, hot. Next students, find out the letter D and complete the word dot. D-O-T, dot. Next students, find out the letter L and make a word lot. L-O-T, lot. Next students, find out the letter G. Very good. G-O-T, got. Next students, find out the letter J and make the letter jot. J-O-T, jot. Next students, find out the letter N and make the word note. N-O-T, note. Next students, find out the word R. Very good. R-O-T, rot. Now students, find out the word B and L and make the word blot. B-L-O-T, blot. Next students, find out the letter K and N and make the word knot. K-N-O-T, knot. Next students, find out the letter P and L. Very good. Find out the P. P-L-O-T, plot. Next students, find out the letter S and L. Make the word as, L-O-T, slot. Next, students, find out the word S and H. And make the word short. S-H-O-T, short. Next, students, find out the word S and P. Make the word sport. S-P-O-T. Now, students, through this activity, we will make a OT family words. Students, you make these words with the block. Now, students, we will recite a story on OT family words. Firstly, write some words. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. D-O-T, dot. C-O-T, cot. The pot is hot. What is in it? I see a pot, said Dot. The pot is hot. What is in it? Is jam in the pot. Look, Dot, said Mom. Look in the pot. The Dot said, Mom, look in the pot. It is not jam, said Dot. It is ham. Dot got some ham. The ham was hot. I like ham, said Dot. I like ham a lot. Students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. I will come up many more videos. Stay in touch, students. Have a good day. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Thank you.